see someone saying no grass on the pitch. Apparently there is actually grass. It's just not the colour as one would expect it to be. It's more in the colour of brown than green. Rhyme Edwards stands over the initial kickoff. The referee looks to kickstart this one. Checks his watch. And we are off. You can hear a big shout here from George Emmons in goal for Reno, making their intent as clear as possible what they're about for this game day, what it means to them, not allowing his team to get too relaxed or complacent, because it's never a good sign, especially going up against a team such as Racing who have scored quite a lot of goals. It's very, very proficient and potent in front of goal. A bit of possessional dominance from the Racing team early out. And I pressed from the Reno team, taking away mistake there from Foster. Here comes Racing. Pushing numbers forward. Kyle Williams goes across to take the throw in. Here comes across a whipper. Wonderful delivery. Young. Brilliant attempt there from Young. Unfortunately, keeper was in a good position and the keeper is down, clutching onto his head. And that incident there. Early intent here from the Racing team. Wonderful chance here by the young Circadian Young. Whipper. Fine. Ryan Edwards going out wide to be the provider now this time around. As play sets to restart here. Play here, or giving away dangerously. Rule. Ellis. Heavy touch here from Reed. Foul here, referee said free kick for the Reno team. Actually good in a good position. Can they get something from this one? This is a perfect opportunity for them to set the tempo or set their mark in this game. straight at goal. A shot at goal. That's a brilliant attempt. Fortunately, it couldn't be the. Here comes racing now in a transition. Passing behind. And that one goes straight into the palm of the goalkeeper. Well, could have taken it. He didn't do so. Just boot that one down. Williams, cross inside. Defender was there doing his job. Walters now with a throw-in. Taken by Headman. Walters again, whipped inside. Edwards, looking for support. On top, nice work there. Whipped inside. Edwards again, and there goes a handball there. Referee allowed it to play. Allowed the advantage, but they are the one who actually didn't capitalize on it. Whip inside. Williams, wonderful header. Here comes Young. Ellis. That chip pass. Wonderful pass from Ellis. And a one-time pass here. And the official on the far side, the assistant, said that was offside. Free kick here to the Reno team. Williams boot that one out. Nice kick actually. Hit the channel. No one there to pick up. Rule. Didn't do too well with that one. Whipped inside. Nice work there. And a chance on goal. And goalkeeper was in a really good position there. Not a bad attempt there. Burchett. Taken away. And a shot on goal. And a deflection there from the goalkeeper. And a brilliant reflex save from the goalkeeper. Brilliant shot from Foster. From way out, deflection. And the keeper swearing had to come chumps big in that one. A very interesting start so far. Entertaining game. And we've just gone over 5 minutes. Whipped inside to the back post. And a jump there. Chance here. Oh my word. Williams would have lost that ball actually. Very unsure where he hit that one. Outside of the facility. Taken away. Nice press here. Gordon in possession. Young. And Gordon didn't let go of the ball when the opportunity presented itself, and he lost it. As Headman just joining the challenge. Poor there. Here comes giving away Ellis in counter. Cole. Richards go back to his goalkeeper, Swearing. Swearing goes out to Walters. Ellis inside the middle of the park. Nice bit of work from Ellis. Racing now, just taking the tempo out of the game a bit. Goes across the Richards. Ellis. Oh, giving away there. Here comes Reno now. In a good position. Nicholson. Nice bit of work. Here comes Gordon now. Back to Nicholson. Nicholson finds Burchett. Goes right across, right around to Williams. Quite composed, very technical centre back for a youngster. Plays with a lot of experience. Pass inside, try and find a shot. And Richards, Khalif Richards, get his body between man and ball, wins that one. Poor touch from Headman. Nice take from Cole. Headman again in possession. Goes out wide. Headman. Pass inside to Edwards. Edwards, and shot on goal from Edwards. And Williams was there to clean up that one. First opportunity present itself to Edwards, to Rhyme Edwards. And Williams was in a good position. Well, nicely done from the goalkeeper, standing his ground to take some of the paw off it. And Williams would have been there to clean up the mess. Whooped inside. Attacking the ball. Here comes Young. A shot on goal. Here comes Reno now. Big chance here for Reno. Pass around there. And Rhyme Edwards doing defensive duty. He wasn't able to get that one in. Interesting to see Edwards dropping so deep. Throw inside. Here comes Reno now. Cross inside. Not the best cross, but he still finds his man. Edman wins that. Oh, and the referee said that was legally done by Edman. And Smith is back on his feet. Free kick here now to Reno. Will they make use of this one? Captain stands over this one. Jashane Foster. Opportunity to go straight off goal. Swearing off the racing goal, creating his four-man wall. Big opportunity this again. He steps up. Hits it. Not a bad shot. Just off target. Not a bad attempt at all. Rule. Heavy touch from Rule now. Walters. Walters go long. Find Headman. Nice work there from Headman. Headman inside. Edwards. Goes across to find Cole. Find himself dropping deep. Richards now. Bad pass from Richards. And Burchett's hand would have been involved in that action right there to win the ball, win possession of the ball. Not bad at all so far. Richards stands over this one. Not the best start for him. A few missed passes, a few bad touches. Sometimes late in some challenges. Just need to settle down. Get his head into the game. Touch inside. Here comes Cole. And that was a step there. Foul on central midfielder for Reno. Williams. Such a high tempo start. I'm sure there's going to be water break because at this moment the temperature is blazing. Oh, someone just correct me, it's actually Burkett. I do think that the penmanship here needs a bit of work. Nice pass inside. Unfortunately, Headman didn't hold on to that one. The referee got involved in that one there. Restart the play here. Reed. Back to Reed. Pass inside. Nice pass inside. Here comes Young. Out wide. And a tackle there from Williams. Young whipped inside. Williams on the back post. And that went out of play. Both coaches back in instructions. So my correction, I was saying, is Burchett. Unfortunately, it's just a penmanship. It's actually Burkett. Booted out by Williams. Nice work. Here comes Williams. Walters. Walters goes over the top. Nice hit there from Carr. Nicely done there by Carr. Foul here by Nicole Ellis, but Carr took that one quite nicely. Carr is in a bit of pain. Another free kick here. So far the game is quite even. Nice pass over the top to release. And the flag is up. Maybe that was a bit too quick. Ellis goes over the top, trying to find Edwards. And Williams is standing, Brad Williams is standing in the middle of the park, quite solid. So far, nothing getting past him. Cole couldn't beat his man. And taken away. Players down. Uncertain who it is. There was a big call down on the sidelines here by the Reno team regarding to an infringement that happened just before them. Involving Graham. He's back on his feet now. Throwing taken there. Rule. Goes to Walters. Walters goes over the top trying to find Edwards. Ellis inside. Cole. Williams. Trying to find Edmund. Walters and Graham clashes there. Graham came out victorious as he received the ball, as he won that ball. He just launched an attack immediately, requiring Rule to get involved in his defensive duties as early as possible. Through in here to the Reno team. Moving slightly nonchalant. I assume that maybe a draw here would be good enough for them. Nice. Oh, that didn't look too bad there, an attempt. Ball went all the way into the box. Not what you would want, not ideally what you would want as a coach to see ball coming from a throw-in and just trickles straight inside your 18-yard box. Cole. Walters. Right back to Rule. Here comes Reed. Young. Pass around there, unfortunately. Headman stopped. Didn't continue his run. Nice turn there from Gordon. He looks inside. Taken away there by Ellis. Composed here from Swearing in goal. Here comes Reed with a nice turn. Referee said there was an infringement there. Restart of play. Reed again in possession. Back to Ellis. Ellis over the top. Edwards. Big switch here. Nice bit of work there from the skipper. Foster. Burkett goes inside. And ball turnover right there. Nice bit of work there from Smith. As it dropped deep to receive that one. To find Carr. Smith, Carr. Link up. Just fade away there. But the intent was quite clear what they're trying to do. They're trying to progress the ball centrally to get in behind the racing defense. Most teams I've seen so far, they would have tried to utilize the wide areas to get in behind the racing team or try to hurt the racing team, but Reno's trying to go a bit more direct, more centrally. It's quite new at this present moment. Racing is slightly struggling with the intent of the Reno team, especially what they're trying to do. Progressing the ball centrally, one-time pass. Here comes Edwards, one touch to Headman. Headman, take too long there. Taken away from him. Goes out wide. Graham. Over the top. And given away as Reed cleans that one up. My apologies, was rule. Here comes Edmund, receive the ball again. Ellis, and he's fouled in the middle of the park. Free kick here to the racing team. Taken quickly. Switch inside. Williams, everywhere in the defensive third. Here comes Smith now. Smith finds Gordon. Carr moving. Nice run from Carr. Can he reach it? And unfortunately, a little bit too heavy there. He was crying out for the ball a bit earlier. Reed. Richards. Back to Reed. Rule is there in support. Goes to the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper playing like an outlet as well. Long pass here. Williams. Good touch from Williams. Here comes Edwards now. Pass inside from Edwards, unfortunately. Not much on that pass. Edwards now. Quick. It's quite quick. Oh my word. Wonderful speed from Edwards. Looks inside. Cuts inside. Edwards still in possession. And brilliant work there from Foster. Dropping back deep to clean up the mess that was made in the defensive third. Sure, Ryan would have been a bit more disappointed. Just to hold his head up just hundreds of a second earlier, he would have been able to pick out that pass. Corner here to racing Caden Young. Stands over it. That's a nice delivery. Edmund is there. And Williams almost got a touch on that one. Ball went out on Gordon. A lot of complaining there that it's not a corner. Caden Young going across to take this one. Carr in the attacking line, sending some instruction, involving his teammate, informing his teammate that he wants to see man-to-man marking. Young. Referee saying he's warning, no holding. That's a good delivery. Walters now. Intercepted easily by Gordon. Cuts inside Young. Nice work from Young. And that's the final touch. Held in by Reed. Big switch here. Cole stands over it. Nice touch from Cole. Looking for support. Ellis is there. Cole. Looking for the runner. Edwards. And it's Edwards. With a shot. And it goes just wide of goal. He's the man that they're consistently trying to get on the ball. That's too prolific foot walking and left or right. The shot gonna come off with a lot of pace and power and at the level to score. Didn't find the goal at that point in time though. Cole. Edmund. Nice bit of work there by Cole. Richards now. Goes around fine. Here comes Young. Chip pass here. Edmund. One touch here from Edmund. Trying to find Cole. Cole is a bit frustrated about that one. Here comes Gordon. Gordon in possession. Nice bit of work from Gordon. A support is here from Foster. And hand was a bit high there by Foster. Free kick here to the racing team. And the referee said water break. A well needed water break. As I said, the humidity is tough. It's really, really tough out here. I'm a little bit more comfortable than the players and I have to be sipping on my water. So I'm quite sure the players out here running. I'm fit enough, I think. Maybe I need to get my boots and my laces and try out one of these teams one of these days. Anyways, we're at the first break here. We're at the Prison Oval Sport Complex in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. where the Jamaica Football Championship is Racing United hosting Reno FC. In the table, as it stands, Racing United is leading the Jamaica Football Championship, whilst Reno, they're in 6th position on 21 points, Racing on 40 points, almost doubling the points by Reno. So based on those metrics, you'd expect that Racing should win this one, but sometimes football are not really necessarily played on paper based on what we've seen so far. It's been a closely contested game in the first 23 minutes of this matchup. Chances have come on both sides, because certainly would have seen Reno got in some good opportunities, just never necessarily take them. Richards now whipped inside. Poor work there, poor ball there from Richards, taken away by Edwards. Edwards finds Edmund. Edmund, nice pass here, and trying to get Young in behind. Garden going towards his goal, and it goes out for a corner. Not ideally what you'd want to do. All I said, move the ball away from your goal rather than towards the goal. Caden Young to take this one. His delivery so far have been quite good. Let's see what's going to happen here. Young. That's a nice delivery. Oh, header there, a chance. And big clearance here. Walters stands up under that one. Walters now goes across to find Ellis. Young is in time and space. Here comes Reed. Taken away from Reed by Williams. Here comes Smith now. Big switch from Smith. Big switch to find Graham. And there was an on-ball there. He didn't take that one smoothly as he wanted it to. Williams. And a poor pass from Williams to Cole, and ball goes out of play there. Throwing here to the Racing team. Flicked inside, here comes Williams. Finds back Ellis. Ellis again. Nice work there from Ellis. Tries to evade 2 or 3 players. Fortunately, one definitely got a clip on him. Young just in front of the commentary box, crying like a baby for the ball, for a big switch. There's a lot of space here. Want the ball to hit in that channel. Flat ball, that's a nice ball. Wonderful chest there by Edwards. And the ball is really scuffing about in the 18-yard box. Richards now. Nicely taken by Richards. Switch there. Here comes Edwards. A nice pass in behind. And that was a bit too heavy for Walters. Players down. Looks to be Williams. No, it's not actually. It's actually Edmund. Big clip there from Williams. Clear that one out. Edmund. The game would have now swinging the ascendancy for Racing. Pass inside. That's a wonderful pass. A chance here for Edmund, and that's a foul. Nice work from Williams. He has been solid in the central midfield for the Reno team, covering the fullbacks, both left and right fullbacks, and also covering the center of the park. He's doing well. He's doing really well in this game. And sure, but there seems to be a big strap on his left thigh, but doesn't seem to be impeding him at this moment. He's done really well so far for Racing. So far, It's one of the main reasons why racing opportunities have been limited. The amount of ground it's covering. Throwing here to racing as Walters goes across to take this one. Ellis now. Walters goes inside to find Ellis. Williams. Given over by Williams. Nice pass here from Foster. And that was a foul on Carr. Ellis, the young ones, to make a switch with Williams, because you see Williams getting a lot of the ball and he's a bit hungry for some of it. Big switch here for Williams inside the box. Head off. Nice work. Here comes Gordon on the ball. Support is there. Carr trying to be a big switch. Richards. Switch your legs. Carr still in possession again. Ball is still in play. From Carr to Burkitt. And that's a foul there on Burkitt. Foul in a very good position. Some good opportunities being presented to Reno FC. If they can take one of these opportunities, they would have really been in a good position at this present moment. For all those who are complaining about the pitch, the pitch is actually not dirt, but grass. Unfortunately, the grass is in a brown condition. Gordon and Graham to take this one as he stands over it. Look to whip it in. Whipped it at a nice delivery. Edda goes up high and swearing. Take that one out of the air. Transition here. Here comes racing. It's Edwards. It's quick. A lot of pace. Nice work there from the man himself, Williams. As I said, he's everywhere on this pitch. Very, very solid. Here comes racing again in possession. The opportunities for Reno are few and far apart, but I don't think that they are necessarily capitalizing on it as best as possible. Nice touch there. Here comes Reno again. Clearance here by Walters. Someone is asking if the grass is brown or yellow. That's a good question. I assume that the racing jersey is actually yellow, so you can definitely distinguish between the jersey and the grass. It's actually brown. Good idea would actually get some paint or spray, and it would have looked wonderful on camera. I would believe if you spray the grass. But what are the hazards to that? I would ask. Nice work from Carr coming deep. Big switch here from Foster to find Burkitt. Nice take from Burkitt. Carr go. Unfortunately Burkitt couldn't keep that one in play. Pass inside by Reed. Edman goes out wide to find Williams. Williams still in possession. Nice work from Williams, retaining possession there. Nice touch here. Beautiful pass from Edwards. Cole. Support is there in Williams. Big switch here from Williams. Ball didn't go out of play. Nice work from Graham. Here comes Richards. Richards find Ellis. Ellis goes out wide to find Young. Young cross inside, deflected. Nice work from Young, beating his man. Young with a switch, looking for support. Young in possession. Under pressure. Nice work from Young. Walters looking for a switch now. Walters still in possession. Find Young again. Young. With a short cross. Not the best cross from Young there. A lot of spin on the ball. Walters. Nice take there from Carr. Bridge switch there from Nicholson. Graham is there. Here comes Williams now. Racing again in the ascendancy. Burkitt. Busting a gut to get back. A chip pass here to find Edwards. Edwards first touch. And ball goes out of play. And a touch there on Williams. Williams is down. Holding on to his ankle. At this moment, we just finished a water break. The humidity is very tough. Big switch here from Edwards. Young. Nice work there from Young. Ellis now in possession. Nice work from the 19-year-old. Cheeky pass here from Ellis. Ellis with a shot and goal. And brilliant work from the goalkeeper. Brilliant save from Emmons. Deflection on that one. Emmons was equal to the task. At this moment, there's still complaint about the pitch. Actually, there's no dirt on the pitch. Actually, it's actually straight grass. Some parts, there's patches where are extremely burnt. Young taking shot. Cross inside the box. Edmond jumps. Nice work there from Williams. There's quite a few Williams here on the pitch. But the two Williams for Reno is Javin Williams and Brad Williams. Brad Williams in number 5 in the central midfield, who has been very good. Nice pass here. Here comes Reed with a shot. Not the best shot there. Ellis to Reed. Reed right back to Walters. Walters goes across to find Rule. Taking him away. Here comes Nicholson now. Support is there. Poor first touch here from Foster. Did well to win that one. Graham now with a nice pass in behind, and that was offside on Carr. Some intricate passing here. Quite direct passing from the Reno team. That's how they're going to see some joy. And that's what they're trying at this present moment. Ellis now in possession. Chip pass over the top, trying to Williams won't. That won't be Williams. I rarely see those balls beat Javin Williams. Here comes Gordon now. Nice work there by Gordon. Young. Nice work from Young. Finds Reed. Reed goes right back to goalkeeper. Pass inside from the goalkeeper to Ellis. Ellis turns. Nice work from Ellis. Reed first to that one. Here comes Richards now. Nice bit of play here from the racing team as they try to beat press. Ellis now in possession. Looking to progress the ball. Big switch there. Burkitt is there. Nice work there from Burkitt. Nice bit of work from Nicholson winning that ball. Williams now. Javin Williams. Actually to poke. Nice pass there. Improvisation there. Graham finds Nicholson. Nicholson now in possession. Goes out wide to find Burkitt. Gordon inside. A poor touch there from Gordon as he lost out on that one. Throw in here. Burkitt now. Turns nicely. Find Williams. Williams with a cross. Hard and low. Cole. Switch up play there by poor there. That's a poor work from Boland. Very, very poor work from Boland. And he's looking for something as well. And Walter's trying some trickery there, and ball have gone out of play there. And throwing here to Boland, the fullback. Graham now. Actually, an exciting player to watch, actually, in my view. Last time out, I saw a Reno team. There's this youngster in the number 20. I think his name was, I think it's Goffs or Crooks. I think it's Crooks. Tyrese Crooks. Quite an exciting player to watch. Very, very exciting player to watch. Racing on possession again. Reed goes across to find Richards. Richards find Young on the line. Young, lot of trick, very, very trick. Nice pass inside. Here comes Edwards. Edwards goes a goal, and he's over the bar. Oh my word! He was looking to get the extra touch on that one, but he definitely thought that it was enough. He really thought that that was enough. Unfortunately, it wasn't. Big miss there by Edwards. Racing again in the ascendancy. Here comes Williams. Down the line. Nice right there by Williams. Inside. Goes across the goal, and the goalkeeper deal with that one quite easily. The pressure has been turned up here on the Reno team. Clearance there by Reed. Straight on to Ellis. Ellis goes wide to find Williams. Williams versus Boland. Williams versus Boland. Boland goes down with a late challenge. Boland is struggling over on that far side there with the pace of Williams. It was the same when Young was over on that side. As Boland is down on the floor. My apologies, Williams is down on the floor. He's back up on his feet now. Free kick here to the racing team. Young. Set piece specialist so far. Another nice delivery there. Cross header took on to goal by Rule. Unfortunately, he couldn't direct that one towards goal. Goal kick here to Reno. Javin Williams stands over it, hitting them straight down the center of the park. Reed. Nice work there by Nicholson. Nicholson in possession. Turns. Taken away there. Given away by Foster. Swearing. Big switch here, trying to find Williams. Yeah, that was quite a bit blunt. Nichols now in possession. Burkett. Guard makes the run. Nichols is still in support. Williams is down on the floor, clutching onto his back. Drop ball here for the Reno team. They were in possession when the referee blew the whistle. Burkett now. Given away there. Heavy touch by Edwards. Looking to pounce on them as early as possible. Burkett threw this one in. Goes long. Richards is there. Nice work back from Carr. And Carr. Ball went out of play there. Not sure what's going on. A bit of heated exchange here between Carr and it seems it's Rule. As play set to restart here with Swearing in goal for Racing. Taken away there by Gordon. Carr is there. Here comes Burkett now. One time pass. Fortunately, that was not heavy enough. Here comes Young. Looks to take on two. Nice work there by Young as he goes inside. Lifts his head up. Goes across the goal. Unfortunately, not enough power in that one. Foster was there to clean up again. Look inside, here comes Rule now. Goes across to find Ellis, who's always deep. For some reason, Walters. Big switch from Walters. Edwards. Nice first touch here. Nice work from Edwards. With a shot from Edmund. Gordon, clear that one. Carr. Ellis again. Inside, Edmund. With a shot. Here comes Walters again. Ellis goes across. Switch up play here. Here comes Richards. Inside, find Cole. Nice right there by Richards and Cole. And Richards! Oh my word! He did not get his head over that one. Very similar to something that I would do. Brilliant build-up play there between both teams. Brilliant opportunity presents itself. And the score still remain at 0-0. Pass here. That's a nice attempted pass from Foster. Trying to launch Carr inside the channel. Clearance here by Walters. Not taking any prisoners. Just a few minutes added on to this one. Nice work by Ellis. Over the top. Here comes Cole. Goes inside. Williams finds Edwards. Edwards with a shot and goal. And just going straight into the palm of the goalkeeper. Quick transition here from the Reno team. Here comes Nicholson. Nicely taken away there by Reed. Young in possession now. Lifts his head up. Pass inside. Here comes Cole. And a nice work there by the goalkeeper. For a red yellow card here issued to Foster. Just a few seconds left to go in this one. So there's only 3 minutes added on. A few seconds to go. Here comes Ellis. He actually can kick it from there, I'm not sure. Haven't seen him take any shots so far in this game. Given away by Cole. And the referee said that certainly is enough of this first half. And it's half time. It's Racing United 0, Reno 0. Very, very good first half of football. Quite entertaining. Love the intensity. A very, very good matchup between both teams. A strong midfield battle so far. Brad Williams and Javin Williams are the standout players for the Reno team, and Rhyme Edwards with quite a few shots, and also Caden Young, standout players as well for the racing team. You are watching the Jamaica Football Championship, Racing United versus Reno FC. You're watching live here on MG Sports TV. Join us for the second half. So we are back here at the Prison Oval Sports Complex in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. We're racing host Reno FC in the Jamaica Football Championship. At half-time, the score is 0-0. Quite a few action, quite a few moments. Could have changed this game and the outlook so far, but unfortunately, neither team would have gotten themselves on the score sheet. But so far, it's a bit more dominance by racing, but both teams showcasing end-to-end stuff. I understand. Since I've been watching this, it's been a while since I've seen a team approach this racing team so direct, and that's what Reno is doing. Will they see success from it? Very unsure, but I certainly believe that something can come from it. As it stands, we have some updates here. As you can see in the comment section, Dalton Wright, True Juice 1, Falmouth 0 at half time. That means that encounter seems to be quite interesting. Let's see if nothing's going to change here at half time. Early substitution by the racing team, we see. Number 13, Tevin Gray, coming on as the game kickstarts now. As most of the action will be going down this side now. Rule. Pass that one inside, a bit too heavy here for Reed. Nice bit of work by Gray. Nice touch here by Edwards. Here comes Gray, getting it interesting. And that's a touch here, heavy touch here. Here comes Williams. Touch inside, ball goes out of play for a corner. As we kick start in fine style. Just want to say thank you very much again, people, for spending the time of your day to tune in and watch this game here. Corner here to the racing team. Young taking short. Quite a few of those who I've seen so far. Young still in possession. Looks towards goal. Goes a shot. And there's a big shot there. Nothing in that one. Nice work there by Ellis. Switch here by Cole. Here comes Walters. Goes around to find Williams. And the ball goes out of play. Stretching Williams here. Free kick here to Reno team. Who will break the deadlock here? That's the question. Who will answer that question? Big switch, here comes Carr. Nicely taken by Carr. Nicholson. Foster is there in support. Good touch here. Clearance here by first touch. Nice work here by Nicholson. Graham goes inside. Switch inside. Find Carr. Carr. First touch. Goes across and quite unsure if he was going for a shot or a pass to the back post to release Gordon. Goal kick here to the racing team. Every touch here from Swearing. Reed. Goes across the goal. A bit risky here by the racing team. Here comes Richards now. Pass inside. Heavy touch from Richards. A lot of frustration shown by Coach Patrick there. So Richards with its over dribbling. Reed dropping him way deep. Very interesting. Reed and Cole so deep. I assume that they are the one trying to progress the ball. Gray. Walters now. Walters trying to launch. Williams in. Williams, nice work from Williams. And good defensive work there from Boland. Didn't start off the game on his best foot there, Boland. Now finding his footing again. Edwards now. Nice work there from Edwards. Richards now. Fine, Young. Given away there by Richards. Young working back hard. Gordon now. Gordon with a bit of pace here. And Richards showcasing that he has pace as well. Nice work there by Richards. Here comes Young. Goes inside to find Ellis. Clearance here by Rule. Not taking any chance. Nice bit of touch here. Nicholson, great challenge for that one. Foster goes out wide. Graham, nice work there by Graham, utilizing his body well, and that has to be a foul there, as it was triple team by Cole, Ellis, and Gray. So Gray was actually coming in for Edmund. A free kick here. Will he go at goal? Quite a few free kicks now for the Reno team would have gotten in and around the area. He's going straight at goal. Graham with a shot straight on goal. Goes out wide. Here comes Nicholson now. Having a pretty decent game in midfield, in the middle of the park. Nice turn there, fortunately given away. Nice work there, Smith. And brilliant work there from Smith in winning a corner off Reed. Graham goes across to take this one. So far he has been the set piece specialist for the team. Graham with this one in. Nice delivery. And that was quite risky. Very, very risky by Rule. It looked good on the camera. But very, very risky. Referee stopping the play. Referee said that the ball wasn't spot properly. Graham whip this one in now. Going to the back post. Here comes Williams and goes off for an offside. Free kick here. I should say spot kick. To Racing as they restart quite nicely. Richards. Reed. Gray. Heavy touch here. Pass inside. Williams. Boland. That goes out of play. And a throw to Reno team. And that has to be a foul there on Graham. Free kick to the Reno team. Look to whip this one in. Clearance here. Here comes Cole. Nice pass in behind. Young is in behind now. Tricky player. Beats one. Nice work from Young. Looks up. Goes for goal! And it's a shot from the goalkeeper. And clearance off the line by Williams. And a big heavy touch here by Williams. Nice work from the goalkeeper and brilliant save as Young was on to goal. He only has his eyes set for goal in that moment. That's a poor cross from Reed. Edwards looking for a shot. Richards now goes inside. Ellis. Nice chip pass from Ellins. Gray. And that was a soft pass here by Gray. Very soft by Gray. Good defensive work there from the Reno defenders. A loud cry for a handball there, but it was more so coming from the supporters rather than the players. Corner here to Racing. Racing have a lot of numbers in the box. Can they capitalize on this situation? Nice delivery inside the box. And goal. And it was rule, but no power on it. Just slightly guiding the ball. Just slightly guiding the ball towards goal. Big clearance from the goalkeeper. Cars under it. Clearance here by Rule. Here comes Graham. Pass inside. Given away there by Foster. Nice pass. Here comes Edwards. Williams now with a shot. Straight into the palm of the goalkeeper. Nice work from the goalkeeper as Edwards was trying to find the shooting angle. Unfortunately, he couldn't. Well done from the defenders. Just to delay that shot. Quickly taken free set piece here. Chip to the back post. Edwards is there. And also Cole. But no one could tap that one in. Big kick from the goalkeeper, Carr, causing a lot of problems for the Racing defenders. Williams. It goes beyond. Here comes Williams. Chance here for Williams. Goes across the goal, and Edwards is there. Oh my word. Almost touched it. Almost got something from that one. Williams down. Jevin Williams. Launching Gordon. Gordon as he picks Graham. Richards. Gordon gets in behind. Chance here. Nice work from Richards recovering. Goes for a corner. Corner here to the Reno team. They are causing a lot of problems for the Racing team. Substitution here for Reno. Not so often you see substitution being taken whilst there is a corner. Nicholson coming off and Smith coming off. Smith has his moment. I think Nicholson had a really good game, an interesting game. Fresh players coming on. Don't know what stuff, Wagstaff, and oh, there's a chance here. A big opportunity presents itself, and again swearing. Limited chances. Nice work there by Gray. Wagstaff now, and poorly done there by Wagstaff. Not up to the match tempo as yet. Taken away. Nice bit of work. Here comes Reno now. Cuts inside. Kevin. Game is getting a bit stretched here. Richards now. With a big switch. Trying to launch. Edwards. And trying to just outsmart the defender and goalkeeper. But they were in actually in a good position to do something there. Poor work there. Here comes Walters. Reed now. Williams. And that's an infringement there. Set to restart here. Williamson's over this one. Going to the front post, and that was not necessarily a good delivery. Booted by the goalkeeper. Richards under it. Ellis goes across to find Reed. Reed to Rule. Every touch here. Young now. Nice work from Young, and he's taken out. Free kick here to Racing. Both teams going for it. The longer the game go on for like in this manner, the nil-all factor, stronger the chance of the away team getting something from the game. Edwards now with a shot from his left, from way out actually. Surprising that he's taking a shot. Through in here to Racing. Reed. Given away again by Reed. Not the first. And fall there on Garden. Williams. That's a ball hit into the channel. Bit too heavy there by Javin Williams. Booted by Swearing. That's a nice delivery there by Swearing. Boland is struggling again. Given away by Boland. I'm sure that's not what he would wanted to do, and not what the coach would want him to do as well. As I said, the defender should not allow the ball to touch ground. Now Racing in a good position now from a corner. Corner taken shortly. Edwards now. With a big switch from Edwards. Williams at back post. And goes out of play. Nothing from that one. Or just over the hour mark. And as I thought, heading in for another water break. It's quite humid out here today. I'm here consistently rehydrating myself and I'm not in the sun like that. So you can imagine how tough it is out there. As referee set to restart the remainder of the game, that should be our last stoppage for this game. Not the best kick out here from putting the goalkeeper under a lot of pressure there. Young. Quick throw in there. Here comes Cole. Young goes inside. And Young tries to be too clever there. Corner here to the racing team. As a minute wind down in this game. Young to whip this one in. Nice ball again. Here comes race. Here comes the Reno team now. Carr. Nice work from Carr. Nice work there. Get inside Graham. Here comes Graham. Graham with a chance. Looks up at the goalkeeper. Walters is there. Arton. Poor touch here from Reed. Jordan Reed. Ellis. Clearance here. Again, not taking any chance. Big switch there from Ellis. Here comes Young. And nice work from the goalkeeper. Brilliant work from the goalkeeper. Quick restart here. Edwards now. Nice turn from Edwards. It goes across. Ellis. Right across the goal here. Gray. Nice pass inside. Flick there from Ellis. And Cole with a shot. And it's a big shot for handball. It's a big shot for handball. Referee said no, it's not having in that one. Another nice delivery. Ellis. The chance. To the back post. Poor clearance here. Nice try there from Graham though. Just to guide that one out. Here comes Young. Cross inside again from Young. Goes out of play for another corner. The pressure is on. The pressure is on. Will Reno be able to subside this amount of pressure? Good time to catch a quick counter. Good whip inside. Now, oh my God, a try there from Ryan Edwards. What a brilliant attempt from Ryan Edwards. Where did that came from? If that would have went in, definitely get it stands to their feet. Flick inside. Carr is chasing. Ellis boots that one in the air. Reed is under it. Chance here. Here comes Reno. Taken down. And a fluff shot there from Wagstaff. Free kick to Reno. No fast today, man. No fast today. Free kick here to Reno. Wagstaff stands over it. Foster stands over it as well. Wagstaff seems to be one. He's going to take it. Too much in that one from Wagstaff. Quick restart here from Racing. Big switch here to find Young in behind. Here comes Young versus Boland. Young versus Boland. Young gets past Boland. Young goes to the back post. Here comes Williams. Ellis with a shot and goal. That's a poor clearance here. And that's a foul on the goalkeeper. As Williams would have gone to impede the goalkeeper there. And that was the right call by the referee. Substitution here. Racing. Kyle Williams is the one leaving. That's a poor kick there from the goalkeeper. Nice turn there from Graham. And referee said too much hole in there. Straight into the goalkeeper palm. Not the best of delivery there. Oh, it's quick. It's a substitute coming in. Jackie Watson. Very, very fast player. Pass over the top. Switch here. Here comes Graham. Reno FC on the attack. in the ascendancy. Nice turn there by Graham. Brilliant football from Graham. Outside, it's Williams. Still in possession. Nice work there and taken away easily. Jordan Reed is one coming on. With the fancy footwork. Oh, beautiful pass. Here comes Young. Young versus Boland again. Young. Nice work there by Young. And he wins a corner from it. And it is Brad Williams covering again. High intensity. Wonderful work rate. Goalkeeper's down on the pitch. Seems to be some issue with Hemmings. As Hemmings go down on the floor. Seeking some medical attention. Back on his feet now, it's good. Approaching the last 13 minutes of this encounter. That's a nice pass. Cole with a shot. Poorly dealt with. Header on goal. Young. Booted out there by Foster. Young still in possession now. Whipped in from Young to the back post. And straight to Edwards and Cole. Bit of miscommunication between Edwards and Cole. Substitution here for the racing team again. Cole is the one who's coming off this time around. Nice work. Here comes Graham. Carr in possession. Nice pass here from Carr. And was offside. Taken quickly. Nice touch here from Edwards. Edwards. Turn is going towards goal. Looking for a shot. Edwards. Young. Heavy with a chip. Over the top. Here comes Watson. Turn. Go at goal. Watson. Shot on goal. Young. Shot goal from Young with an acrobatic attempt. And it goes out for a corner. Is it the corner? Say it's a goal kick actually. Booted by Foster. Nice work there by Javin. Dominant figure. And a dominant presence. Throw taken quickly. Valentine. Big pass in behind. Here comes Reed. Rude. Blow that one. Ellis now. Edwards. Given away by Edwards. Nice first touch for Wagstaff. Beautiful pass here from Wagstaff. And Carr was not reading that one. Here comes Graham. Nice work from Graham. And he's pulled down. Foster, stands over it. Graham now. Graham turns inside, looking for support. Going for a shot, and it was clipped. As we enter 80 plus minutes of this encounter. Time is winding down. Something must give. Are we going to see a nil-all game here? Quite an interesting encounter. Graham with the goal direct. Chip to the back post. It's a nice chip there. Chance here for Reno to get something. And that was poorly done. Corner here to Reno. Reed. Graham now. Looking to whip this one in. It's a nice delivery. Wonderful delivery. Big jump there from Javin Williams. And Javin Williams takes it for Reno FC. The youngster, the 17-year-old, the national representative that found the back of the net for Reno FC here on the grounds of racing. Prison Oval. Big leap, big jump to hit the back of the net. It is Javin Williams of Mannings High School, the youngster. Brilliant delivery from Graham. And Javin Williams rise high and tall to not head this one to the back of the net. Swearing had no chance as he leap above all the other defenders. It is now Reno FC 1, Racing 0. Will there be a reply? Quite a few set pieces that Reno would have gotten. Confidence is in the here now. Here comes Reno again. Nice pass. Here comes Racing now. Big switch there. It's a brilliant switch there to find Watson. Given away there by Watson. Cuts inside. Here comes Reno again. And ball goes out of play. Referee said a tug there. And it's a free kick to Reno. Reno with a free kick. Big switch. And that has to be a foul. Card here issued for Burkitt in the fold there. Time is winding down. The seconds ticked away in the clock. 6 minutes of regular time left. I'm sure there will be some addition to that. Richards, big swing to the back post. Here comes Rule. Not that one in. Rule again. Garden. Big switch. Carr. Is there as well. Richards is there. Before we stop the play there, as Graham is down, Carr is down on the floor. These are the moments of the game where game management has to kick in. A smart, intelligent part of the game where you ensure you secure that 3 points away from home. So far, the three standout players for the Reno team has been Javin Williams, Brad Williams, and Shane Graham. My apologies, Rashawn Graham. They have been really, really good in this game. Very, very dominant, posing themselves on the racing team. Set pieces, transition. Quite difficult to choose a man of the match. For sure, that would have to be maybe decided by the viewers. Javin Williams, Brad Williams, and Rashawn Graham. Rashawn Graham is in the 13, Brad Williams is in the 5, and Javin Williams, who just scored, number 4. Gonna leave that decision to you guys. Gordon versus Watson. Watson threw that one in. Ellis. Big switch in for Ellis. Nicely dealt it there. Here comes Foster. Valentine. Over the top to Jack to Watson. Watson. Live wire. Big clearance here by centre back. This is trouble. This marks trouble. Valentine. Quickly taken. Here comes Reed. And that's a poor pass here from Reed. Very, very poor pass. Extremely poor pass here. Referee just hasting the play a bit. Substitution here for Racing. Exiting is Siobhan Reed. Coming on was actually Diamond Clark. throw in here to Reno team. I'm sure they're going to manage this game as best as possible. Nice to take in there. Turn. Brilliant turn. Nice work there. Brilliant bit of work from Reed, Jordan Reed. Quick throw in, here comes. Quick throw in here taken by the racing team. Ellis now in possession. Big switch here, beautiful pass to find Young from Ellis. Here comes Young. Cross inside to the back post. And the keeper would have taken that one nicely. Well done by Emmons. Keeper boots that one down. Valentine, a good possession. Throw in here to Racing. As Racing trying to turn up the tempo just a bit. Down the line. Edwards on the here comes Graham now. Nice work from Graham. It's Graham giving away. Pass inside. Nice pass. What beautiful flick pass here. Here comes Graham now. 1v1 with Walters. Walters a good defender. Beaten by Walters. And goes out of play as Graham hunts for something there. Fortunately. Walters. Nice work there by Graham. Just rolling on back to the pitch to ensure that the play stops. Start. Nice work there by Richards. Richards goes out wide to find Young. Young goes on the line. Nice work there by Young to get in behind, and he's fouled multiple times. Before he stopped the play for a foul there. Richard stands over this one to whip this one in. Nice delivery there to the back post. A chance here. And nothing from that one. The game remains the same here, 1-0 in favor of Reno. Hemmings to boot this one out as far as possible. Boot it out. Richards. Nice right there by Richards. Ball goes out of play. Bowler steps up to throw this one. Clearance here. Jevin. Stand taller on the defense. Richards. Ellis. Booted out there. Not taking any chance. Ensuring that they're going to secure the 3 points here. throw in here. Here comes Edwards. Nice work on Edwards. That's a dangerous challenge here. Dangerous. It's Wagstaff there. It's a yellow card. Free kick here to Racing. So it's the last kick of the game. Taken shot. And it's a poor touch from Richards. Very, very poor touch from Richards. And that is it. That has to be hit. As the referee look at his watch. Still a chance here. Long throw. Last opportunity here. Swing inside the box. Keeper comes and he misses. What's going on there? And that is it. Final action of the game. What a way to end the game. It is full time here at the Prison Oval. It's Racing United 0, Reno FC 1 in the Jamaica Football Championship. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for tuning in. I'm your commentator, Mario Dakers. Hopefully you enjoyed that game, people. It was most definitely a very entertaining one. 1-0 in favor of Reno FC. Please do leave a like and subscribe if you're here for the first time. Thank you very much for tuning in. See you guys again until next time. If you want to see the standings and the updates, go over to our YouTube or Instagram and Facebook page at MG Sports Media. All updates will be there. Thank you very much for joining, people. See you guys again. Until next time, we are out.